Hi traders, today I'm going to walk through the design of my portfolio because that is the goal of 2025, to build a truly diversified portfolio. This is going to be a multi-part video series where I walk through first the design and then how I build each component of it. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to stuff up, find some lessons along the way. So I thought it'd be fun to document it in a video series. Now, building a portfolio is the magical golden key to finding long-term, stable, consistent results with trading. And I've known that for a while, but I've honestly struggled with it because when I was testing not my own expert advisors, but commercial expert advisors, you are very limited in what currencies, timeframes you can achieve because the good expert advisors are very few and far between, and they might all use the same currency, the same strategy, whereas in an ideal portfolio, you want different strategies, different timeframes, different currencies. And I struggled with using commercial robots because you can't design your portfolio, you just left picking up the scraps from what other good ones there are. And I have spent a year and a half to 2 years looking online to see what a good portfolio build would be. And the information I found is fairly generic. Most of it is just use multiple timeframes, multiple currency pairs, multiple strategies, and that's it. That's the extent of the information that I could find into building really good portfolios. So what I thought would be much more useful, instead of just giving that generic advice, is to show you step by step into developing my very first portfolio. It probably won't be that great of a portfolio, honestly, because nothing you ever do for the first time is that great. But the idea is create it instead of getting too deep and stuck into analysis paralysis. Just create it, put it live, retest, and build another one. So each portfolio 2, 3, and 4 will be better than the first one. But let's start with portfolio number 1. And to give the portfolio a cool, catchy sounding name, I wanted it to start with the letter A. So I've chosen alligator portfolio, and my very, very bad drawing of what an alligator sort of looks like. So here is the design of the alligator portfolio. Notice, based on my research, people say use multiple currencies, multiple time frames. So I've got 3 time frames here. I've got the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frame. I'm not such a fan of the lower time frame, so the lowest I'm willing to go to is the 1 hour chart. And I've got here mostly indices, the SP 500, NDX 100, the German 40. So 3 indices, which is a little bit heavy on the indices. I've got gold, and I've got the Forex pair. Notice here that I've only got 2 Forex pairs, even though there are many Forex pairs available. From my research online, a lot of the older experienced traders seem to really hate Forex, and they call it a scam. So that's why I've limited to just 2 Forex pairs, and the rest is indices and gold. With the indices, there'll probably be long only strategies, especially on the daily time frame, because indices generally do tend to go up over time. And honestly, I don't know if I am going to be successful in building this portfolio. I've been able to successfully, in the past year and a half, make strategies that have been successful for Forex pairs, especially the US Japanese yen, and to some extent the pound JPY pair. But in terms of indices and gold, I have not up to now have been able to make a successful strategy on indices and gold. So that is really something I am trying to work on, so I can really build this diversified portfolio. And I'm actually not starting from scratch. I have already built the first component of the alligator portfolio. So if you want to see how I did that, watch this video right here. Thanks for watching. Bye.